welcome back to my Taglish channel. Hi guys, how are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, on today's video, Jax, also known as Chef J, will bake a chips delight butterscotch brownie for my mom. This is the part 3, last leg of our baking session. So we will find out if it is delicious or not. So what are we waiting for? Happy watching! We will do the next one, the chips delight butterscotch mix.
Sound like the other one was no oil, it's really just butter, eggs and the packet. So here we go for round number 3 of the day. Yeah, that's it.
So this is the third one,
Now
guys.
the oven is done.
Home oven, and there's a oven toaster. You need to preheat the oven first to 125 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And then you need to have a 1/2 cup of butter, a soft one. And then you need to add 2 beaten eggs slowly while mixing.
Okay, so here's the butter.
So that's the butter, guys. You need to be soft. Soft
It's already
enough.
done in the microwave. Now just to mix it through again.
Then you mix it again.
So again, no need to do any electric mixer. The wooden spoon's good enough. Try not to get on yourself again. So this one's not as liquidy as the other ones, so I'm guessing it's going to be probably extra gooey when you bake it. Get all the lumps out. Get rid of any remaining powder that may be sitting at the bottom. So make sure you scrape all the sides. And as you're mixing, just keep an eye for any lumps that may be in it. Seems like every now and again there may be a lump. It's not as much liquid as this one, so it seems like the lumps are a bit more pronounced. So we'll just squash it to one side. And that should help get rid of anything. Do another check. Seems pretty good. And again, as the others, this one's already pre-greased. Everything. So again, we're going to try getting even coverage so it doesn't burn and it's equal on all sides.
Sorry guys, there's a lot of dogs outside. You will hear a lot of bark.
Nearly there. And the last corner. Like there, might get one more spoon. And we'll just knock into the corners, just give it a, and then you can always give it a swirl pattern as well, just for extra surface area. And it's ready for the oven again. Now into the oven it goes, it's already preheated. And timer starts now. This one should take about half an hour, but again we'll do like the last one, we'll test it before that and then test it every 5 minutes after it, and now we just wait.
sticky, guys.
Yeah, I've tested it numerous times, and now that the colour across the top's uniform and the sticky's coming out clear, it's ready to rest again.
And then we turn off, guys.
Yes, we do.
Just like that.
If I had any hands, I would. And there we go. So now we'll sit it here again until it's actually cooled down, and I can just flip it over and serve it.
Smell like butterscotch here.
It does. Smells good.
Sarap. Sarap.
And that's the last one we cooked today.
Yay. Sarap. Okay, so what's next, Jax?
Now that it's cooled down, it's just a matter of taking it out of the container, because it seems to be cool and it's shrunk to both the pan. Yeah, all done. Now really it's just a matter of cutting it up and serving it. See, that shows you why you need to use non-stick paper.
Sarap. Sarap. So that's it, guys. Jax, also known as Chef J, baked 8 Chips Delight Butterscotch Brownies, and I'm the taster again and again. So Jax is the one who always bakes sa aming dalawa because he's white, and I'm not keen on baking kasi, guys, because I'm Asian. So the taste of the butterscotch is delicious and winner, of course. So the butterscotch mix we used this time was the one we bought in the supermarket, in the local supermarket. So that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching our baking session, guys, and you learned something today. Thanks for watching and thanks for supporting my videos. Please like if you did enjoy my video today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video, guys. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys. Be good, take care, be safe, and chala.